Greetings, this is Mr. Matsimbi presenting the social science history grade 5 lesson. We're going to learn about the topic of hunter-gatherers and herders in South Africa. Our subtopic is going to be how do we find out about hunter-gatherers and herders. The purpose of this video is to provide extra notes for how we found out about hunters, gatherers, and herders in South Africa. And we're going to look to three components which contribute to how we found out about the herders and hunters, gatherers in South Africa, which is stories, objects, and rock painting. We are going to start with stories. Our grandparents tell us stories about our ancestors who lived long time ago. These stories contain many facts and beliefs. They pass from one generation to another. That's how we found about the hunters, gatherers, and herders. We hear stories from the people who have lived during that period. We're going to our second component of how we found out about hunter-gatherers and herders in South Africa. Our second component is objects. Our ancestors lived behind different objects like broken pots and stone tools which became buried in the ground over a period of time. This proves that there were certain people who lived in that era a long time ago. This also gives us insight about Khoikhoi and the Sen. Our last component of how we found out about hunter-gatherers and herders is going to be rock painting. The Sun made multiples of rock painting in Southern Africa, which tell us more about the way of how they live. The rock art gives illustration of Sun hunting animals. This tells us that in order for the Suns to survive, they were using bow and arrows to hunt animals. We have come to conclusion of how we found out about hunter-gatherers and herders in South Africa, which is object, stories, and rock painting.